Hey guys, what's up? What is up? Kuya Jason with Our Life in the Philippines. Guess what, guys? Guess what today is? It's payday. And if you're living overseas like most expats, you know the drill. It's time to move money from back home over here. If you watch almost any YouTube comparison between Wise and Remitly, the advice is almost always identical. Use an ACH bank transfer. It's the cheapest option. Sounds great on paper, right? But here's the real world problem that almost nobody talks about. Most expats, they live paycheck to paycheck. When you're out here building a house, paying local contractors, running landscaping projects, and keeping up with monthly bills that are due on the first, you don't have $2,000 sitting in your checking account 5 days early waiting on a bank clearance. When payday hits on the first, you need that money landed in your overseas bank account today, not next Tuesday. So today, we're putting Remitly and Wise to a real world test. No sponsor, no bullshit, no theoretical math. We're running two exact scenarios. First, we're sending a standard $2,000 monthly household transfer for your bills, for everything that you need to pay. Second, we're going to be sending 50,000 pesos directly to pay a local contractor. And we're looking at what actually happens when speed matters and you need your money delivered right now. Stay tuned, guys. We're going to go over that. Look at this. My chickens are following me. They're hungry. All right, stay tuned, guys. I'm going to show you the real world examples. All right, guys, let's break down the mechanics. First, when you use a standard ACH bank transfer, Wise and Remitly both route that request through a U.S. bank clearing system. That takes anywhere from 3 to 6 days before the funds actually settle. And here's something that happens to expats all the time. Getting paid on a Friday. If payday lands on a Friday, traditional U.S. and Philippine commercial banks shut down their batch clearing systems over Saturday and Sunday. Even if you use a debit card on Wise, the app will sometimes display an estimated arrival date of Monday because of that weekend banking hold. If your contractor is standing in front of you on Saturday morning, your bills are due on the first, waiting 6 days simply isn't an option. To get your cash delivered as fast as possible on payday, you are forced to use a debit card. And that is where the real comparison begins, because speed costs money. The big question is how much and which app actually handles instant debit transfers better. Let's look at scenario number 1, sending a $2,000 monthly transfer. Look at these numbers. These are live right now if you use Wise with a debit card. Wise charges a $36.64 processing fee, but they give you true mid-market exchange rate of 61.23 pesos per dollar. Total landed in your bank account, 120,234 pesos and 60 cents. Remitly takes a completely different approach. They advertise a $0 fee for transfers, debit transfers. But look at what happens to the exchange rate. It drops to 59.2 pesos per dollar. Total landed in your bank account, 118,400 pesos. Even after paying Wise $36 in fees, you still walk away with 1,834 pesos more in your bank account, which is about $30 extra cash. Remitly's $0 fee actually costs you significantly more in hidden rate markups. All right, guys, now let's take a look at scenario number 2, sending exactly 50,000 pesos to pay a local contractor. This is where things get really interesting, because when you owe a contractor on the first, You aren't sending a round dollar amount. You need exactly 50,000 pesos, as an example, sitting in their BPI account today. Let's check the live screenshots to see which app pulls less cash out of your pocket to land exactly 50,000 pesos today using a debit card. On Wise, after their $15.73 debit fee, the total cost out of your bank account is $829.42. On Remitly, with their $0 fee but lower exchange rate, the total cost out of your US bank account is $841.76. That means using Remitly's same day to pay your contractor costs you an extra $12.34 out of pocket for the exact same 50,000 pesos. All right, guys. Now, I know people in the comments are going to say, why don't you just set up a bank ACH transfer on the 25th so it clears by the 1st without debit fees? Look, if you have the cash sitting in your bank on the 25th, great. But if you live paycheck to paycheck like most expats, when you click the send on the 25th, the app will pull the money from your US bank account that day. If your paycheck hasn't landed yet, your bank will reject it for insufficient funds, hit you with a $30 overdraft fee, and cancel the transfer. When money is tight, you just can't float cash 6 days early. You have to send it on payday. All right, guys, so what's the final verdict? When you're living paycheck to paycheck and need money delivered on the 1st, don't fall for the $0 fee. Remitly's $0 fee on debit cards gets eaten up by lower exchange rates. Watch out for weekend banking delays when Friday paydays hit, and watch out for the ACH trap where it says instant on the front screen but switches to 5 or 6 days at checkout. When you're transferring money on payday using a debit card, whether it's sending a $2,000 monthly budget or paying 50,000 pesos to a contractor, Wise gets more pesos into the account and costs less out of your pocket every single time. All right, guys, how do you guys handle your monthly transfers? Let me know down in the comments below. If this video has helped you out in any way, hit that like button, subscribe, hype the video, and as always, guys, thank you for watching Our Life in the Philippines. I'm Kuya Jason, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace!